Okay, so today we're doing, so here we have three examples on evaluating expressions, evaluating expressions. We evaluate expressions, you just plug in where you see that variable and then apply the rule of PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we have example 1. It says 2 times x minus 4 plus 1 when x is 10. That means that first step is you want to rewrite it, and where you see x, now you're going to put 10. You have 10 minus 4 plus 1. Once you have replaced the number, you just go ahead and apply your order of operations. So the first thing with order of operations is parentheses. You do what's in your parentheses. Then you do your exponents if you have any. Do multiplication, division in the order that they show up, and then addition, subtraction in the order that they show up from left to right. So here we have a parentheses we need to get rid of. So we're going to do what's in parentheses first. 10 minus 4 is 6. So we end up with 2 times 6 and bring down the plus 1. Next, we're going to go to multiplication because this is 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1. Then I just do my addition. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. And I have evaluated my expression. My final answer for this is 13. Example 2. Here I have 3 times x plus 1 plus 3 when x equals 11. Again, my first step is to rewrite it, and where I see x, I'm going to put, they said 11. So 11 plus 1 plus 3. Next, I do what's in the parentheses. 11 plus 1, that's 12. 3 times 12 plus 3. Then I'm going to do multiplication. 3 times 12, 36. And then I add my 3. 36 plus 3 is 39. And that's my final answer. Here I have example 3. 4 times y plus 2 squared when y equals 2. Again, we're just going to remember PEMDAS, which is our order of operations. You do what's inside your parentheses first, then your exponent, then you do multiplication, division in the order it comes from left to right, and you do addition and subtraction in the order that it comes from left to right. So first, again, I rewrite, and where I see my variable, I'm going to replace it with what the number I have to evaluate. So when y is 2, 2 squared. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. 4 times 4 squared. I have done my parentheses, what's in my parentheses. Next, I do my exponent. So I've taken care of p. Next, I take care of my exponent. 4 squared is 16. Now I've taken care of my exponent. Then I have to take care of my multiplication. 4 times 16, 64. So you just plug it in you just rewrite it, and where you see your variable, you're going to replace that number and then apply your order of operations. So go ahead and do the try. Try 3 times x plus 12 4x equals 10, and 4 times y minus 2 4y equals